Money doesn't disappear, it moves, and when it does, it leaves a story. Phantom Forex, Africa's billion-dollar ghost trade. They promised you freedom. They whispered about passive income. They showed you Lamborghinis, trading dashboards, and vacations in Dubai, all from their phones. But beneath the surface of Telegram groups and Instagram ads was something else. There were no traders, no currency pairs, no profit, only shadows, fake firms, ghost offices, and bank accounts that vanished before the truth could catch them. This is Follow the Funds. And today, we unravel the Phantom Forex epidemic, a digital con that swept across Africa, looted families, and left a trail from Accra to Abu Dhabi. Part 1. A new type of hustle. The story begins with a new breed of digital influencer, the Forex boss. Young, flashy, confident. They didn't work for banks. They didn't hold licenses. But they had thousands of followers, fake testimonials, and a simple pitch. We trade the foreign exchange markets. You invest, we make you rich. From MBA Forex in Nigeria to Obelisk FX in South Africa, Bitworld in Uganda, and several fly-by-night academies in Ghana, the script was identical. You paid into their platform. They showed you monthly returns. And they used new investors to pay old ones. A Ponzi scheme, dressed in trading charts. Part 2. The Phantom Blueprint. These were not real brokers. Most used cloned websites, mirror copies of legitimate trading platforms, with fake dashboards that showed you fake profits. They created synthetic trade histories. They sent fake MT4 screenshots. They staged Zoom classes and posted rented Lamborghinis on Instagram. Some companies used religious networks and motivational speeches to gain trust. Others ran youth training seminars targeting university students. And behind the scenes, shell companies, burner phones, mobile money wallets tied to fake IDs. Everything was unraveling, designed to disappear once withdrawals were requested. Part 3. The Unraveling. By 2021, the cracks began to show. At MBA Forex, thousands of Nigerians complained they couldn't access their funds. Some had invested pensions, school fees, even mortgages. The EFCC stepped in. What they found was chilling. Over 213 million laundered through property deals. No licenses from the Nigerian SEC. No proof of trading activity for over 12 months. Millions moved through proxy accounts. Founder Maxwell Odom vanished. A manhunt began. Interpol issued a red notice. The scam had crossed borders. In South Africa, the FSCA shut down several platforms and froze assets linked to high-profile traders with no regulatory status. And in Ghana, journalists uncovered a network of Forex firms tied to churches and influencers, using scripted testimonials and cloned trades to recruit investors. Part 4. The Investigations. Investigators across Africa, from Nigeria's EFCC to Kenya's DCI, began working with Interpol, Europol, and private forensic firms to track the money trail. Blockchain analytics revealed that some of the firms converted investor funds into cryptocurrency and moved it through peer-to-peer exchanges, mixing wallets to hide origins. Forensic accountants reconstructed fake portfolios and proved many companies were never linked to live FX markets at all. More than 40 people were arrested across 5 countries, but many suspects fled or rebranded under new company names. In total, losses are estimated to exceed $1.2 billion across West and East Africa. And here's the sting. Many victims didn't report, out of shame, fear, or misplaced loyalty. Part 5. The collapse of these phantom Forex firms left tens of thousands devastated. Families bankrupt, students in debt, entire communities duped. Regulators were blamed for looking the other way. Some alleged political connections kept enforcement agencies quiet until the noise became too loud. Now central banks are tightening crypto laws. FX regulators are issuing stronger warnings. But the cycle continues. New names, new websites, same tricks. Because in the digital age, deception moves faster than regulation. Part 6. Lessons learned. So what do we learn from the Phantom Forex scam? If you can't verify the license, it doesn't exist. Real investments don't guarantee profit, only scammers do. Financial fraud today is borderless, and so must be the accountability. Trust must be earned, not marketed. And when something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The Forex firms were fake, but the pain was real. And as always, the money always leaves a trail if you know where to look. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.